Hi, I'm here at Jane's Salon, and I just wanted to let everybody know she is a miracle worker only because God has given her the gift of taking care of natural hair. When I started about a year ago, my hair was kind of bad because of my health and the medication that I was taking. And I met Jean, and I heard her say God has blessed her hands and anointed her to be able to work with people's hair of us, our color. Well, I asked her, will she do my hair? The first time she did my hair, she evaluated my hair, which I had never had that done before. After evaluation, she said yes. She did my hair September of 2022. By November of 2022, you can see the difference in my hair. It grown, it stopped coming out. So now it's been a year and I love it. If you think that any salon can do the things that A Confident You Salon can do, think again. I'm happy. Yay!